Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to make Linda's fudge cake. First, ensure all your ingredients are at room temperature for optimal mixing. Next, preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit and prepare two 9-inch round cake pans by greasing and flouring them or lining with parchment paper. This preparation is crucial for a smooth baking process. Gathering everything beforehand saves time and prevents last-minute rushes. Let's get started with the dry ingredients. For the cake, you'll need standard baking ingredients like 2 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 3/4 cups of granulated sugar, and 3/4 cup of unsweetened cocoa powder. Don't forget 1 teaspoon of baking soda and 1/2 teaspoon of baking powder. Mix these dry ingredients well. Then, in a separate bowl, combine 2 large eggs, 1 cup of milk, 1/2 cup of vegetable oil, and 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract. Slowly add the wet mixture to the dry, mixing until just combined. Pour the batter evenly into 2 9-inch round cake pans, prepared with parchment paper and baking spray. Bake for approximately 30 to 35 minutes, or until a toothpick inserted into the center comes out clean. While the cakes cool, prepare the luscious fudge frosting. Melt 1/2 cup of butter with 1/2 cup of cocoa powder, then whisk in 3 cups of powdered sugar, 1/4 cup of milk, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla until smooth and spreadable. Frost your cooled cake generously. Once frosted, let your beautiful Linda's fudge cake sit for about 15 minutes to allow the frosting to firm up slightly. This makes for cleaner slices. For an extra touch, you can sprinkle some chocolate curls or fresh raspberries on top. Store any remaining cake in an airtight container at room temperature for up to 3 days or in the refrigerator for up to 5 days. This cake is truly a masterpiece, so savor every delicious bite.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.